everyone and happy Halloween because today is October 31st and as you may know it's Halloween today and I'm making this video in the night and this is a witch over here flying a broomstick and right here we also have a pumpkin and a ghost. And now these things which is what we would usually use for Halloween as decorating our houses or dressing up for trick or treating. And like in all of my videos, or except for a few videos, I have used this Lego Wedo kit. So if you got that, you could be building this, and these, if you want to see the pieces, here are the pieces. All of them I have. Some of them you might not see that are from yours if you have it, because I have built this from these. But anyway, let's close it now. Put it aside. And yes, I will also be showing how it works, so just don't miss out on that because it also makes a witch sound that sounds exactly like a witch. But anyways, let's begin and I'll show you how it works. So first we have an iPad here and we're going to use it for our coding and how to just do this work it. So you just open the iPad. I'll just do the password quickly. Okay, so now we have really got to the iPad. Let's go here and just don't mind about the other app. But find your app, it's Wedo 2.0. Just click on that. Your screen will be different because I've already set in my quota. And I've also made this big so you can see the code easily. And here's the code. So basically here's the start button and here's the stop button. And you might know that if you've seen that in my other videos. But first, you don't press this button straight away to play it. There's one thing you need to do, and that is connecting it to the iPad. So you will press this green button right here. So press it, go to here, and this arrow is pointing there. So you press it, when that turn is green, it has thumbs up. You press the X, and now it should work. So I press it and it goes like that for 5 seconds, 3 speed, goes this, and then it makes that sound like that. And now if you want to hear it by itself, just the witch sound without me talking, you can hear it right now. And that's how it works. I hope you like it, hope you enjoy, and happy Halloween.